Welcome to another session of JS Networks. In this session, we are going to discuss circular linked list and insertion of a node in circular linked list. So let us start. First, let me describe what is a circular linked list. A linked list whose last node points back to the first node instead of containing the null pointer is known as circular linked list. Okay, a linked list whose last node, here this is the header and suppose this as the last node, the link session or the link part of the last node points back to the first node instead of containing a null pointer. In a case of a normal linked list, the last node's next session is always null or it is a null pointer, right? So in a circular linked list, instead of containing the null pointer, the last node points back to the first node. So that is a circular linked list. Okay. Advantages. Any node can be a starting point. Useful for implementation of queue. Circular linked lists are useful in applications to repeatedly go around the list because it is working in a loop like a circle. Okay, so that is why these are useful in applications to repeatedly go around the list. So these are the advantages. Now, insertion in circular linked list. As a normal linked list, circular linked list insertion also three ways we can do. Insertion at the beginning, insertion at the end, and insertion at a specific position. Now let us learn one by one. Insertion at the beginning. So here is the algorithm. Okay. Suppose you are going to insert a new node and the name of the node I am using is P. So you are creating the node, you are getting the value and then the new nodes link session you are making as null. Okay, that is described here. Create a node P. P data is equal to item. Here it is 10. P link is equal to null. Okay, so you have created a node named P. Now, if last is equal to null, that is no node is present in the list. So what will happen? Your node, that is a P, that will be the only node. Okay. So if last is equal to null, see this last, this node is named as last and it is also having the name P. So last is equal to P, that is the last node. P is a new node which we have created and that is the last node itself. Okay. And then last link is equal to last. So this is last and the link of last is last itself. Okay. So that is the step, fourth step. And if you are having somewhat lengthy list, okay, now you are going to insert a node at the beginning and the node is P. So this is the linked list you are having. Two nodes are there. 8. First node is having the value 8 and then the second is having the value 9. We are going to insert the new node with the value 10. Okay. So this is the case before insertion. Now what you are doing? See this before, that is to the front of 8 and 9 you have inserted the node 10, that is to the beginning. Okay. So what you have to do is P link is equal to last link. See, previously this was the last link. See, this was the last link. Okay. And that link, that is the node with value 8. Okay, now what you are going to do, you are inserting the node P at the beginning. So what will happen? This node will come to the new node. Okay, that is P link is equal to last link. Previously this was the last link, and the same thing, see, P is being connected to 8. Okay, now last link is equal to P. Now what you have to do, this should be connected to this P. Last link is equal to P. Okay, you are going to insert a node here. So what this will be removed, and this will be connected to this node, and this will come and point here. So this is insertion at beginning. Okay. Now insertion at the end of a circular linked list. Okay. You have created a node P, and you got the data of P and link of P. Okay, that is data as 10 and link as null. So you have created a node, and then if that is the only node, no linked list is there. So that is what, if last is equal to null, there is no node present in the list. So the only node P, that is the last node, and last link is also last. Okay, that's a single node. And then you are having, if you are having a list with some nodes. So here this is the circular linked list, and here you are having, first node is having data 8 and the other one is having the data 9, and this node is last. Okay, and here you are going to insert the new node, and that is P. Okay, now this link of P is to be connected to last link. Okay, P link is equal to last link. This is, what is this previously? This is last link, right? So link of P is link of last. So you got the connection, and then this is left. Okay, and this node is last, and the link of last is to be connected to P. See this, you got the connection. So you have inserted the node P, and link of P is link of last, because this was before insertion of P, this link is link of last. Okay, so P link is equal to last link, and then this connection, this is where it is connected, last link is connected to P. Okay, and now this is not the last one, this is the last node. Okay, so that is given in the step, last is equal to P. Let us create the node. First check whether you are having a list. If no list is there, the created node is the only node and it points to the same one. Okay, so circular linked list, that is over. And if you are having a set of nodes and at the end you are going to insert, so at that time the end node is to be connected to the new node, and new node is to be connected to the starting. Okay, so that is explained in the 2 steps. And now last has been changed because you have inserted the node at the end. So the inserted node will become the last node. Okay. Now insertion at a specific position. First steps are same. Create a node. P data, get the item. Here it is 10. P link is null. So you have created a node. Okay, with null link, and name it as P. And then here one more term you are using, temp. Okay, what is temp? It is pointing to the, that is, you are naming the node temp for last link. So this is last, and the link of last is this one, right? And name it as temp. Okay. Now we have to travel till that particular position where the node is to be inserted. So you will get a position. Okay. Suppose your position is 4, for example. You are going to insert a node in the position 4. And you are having a linked list, this one, second node, third node, fourth node, and then fifth node. This is the list you are having. Okay. And position 4 is this one. So position is 4. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to travel till position 3. See, I less than position minus 1. And first, this is temp. Okay. This is temp. Then this should be temp. Then this will be temp. Okay. Up to this you have to come. That is what I less than position minus 1. Temp is equal to temp arrow link. I is incremented by 1. Okay. And you reach the particular position before that. Okay. So 4 is the position where is to be inserted. Here it is to be inserted. Okay. And then you have to travel till 3. So you reached here. Then you have to get the connection. P link. This is a new node. This is P. Okay. Link of P. This should be removed. See, this should be removed, and then link of P should come to link of temp. Okay, this is temp's link. So link of P should come to link of temp, and then this should be connected to P. So this is temp. Link of temp is to be connected to P. Okay. So that way you can insert the node at a particular position. You have to travel, that is temp is to be traveled till that particular position before that. Okay. And then you have to cut that link and you have to connect it. Very simple. Okay. So that is about insertion at a specific position. So in today's session we understood or we discussed how to insert a node in a circular linked list. We can insert at the beginning, at the end, and at a specified position. Very important is this and very easy too. Hope it is clear for you. Thank you.